Hello gardeners, thank you for stopping by. I enjoy sharing my knowledge and experience with all of you. Enjoy the video. Thank you. What if I told you that one tomato plant could give you dozens of delicious tomatoes with just a little care and a piece of garden twine? Today we're keeping it simple. No complicated gardening terms. Just how to plant, grow, support, and harvest tomatoes the easy way. Tomatoes love sunshine. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. Plant them in loose, rich soil that drains well. When planting, bury part of the stem underground. Tiny roots will grow along that buried stem, helping create a stronger plant. Water deeply after planting, but don't turn your garden into a swimming pool. Tomatoes like moisture, not scuba diving. Full sun fuels steady growth. Aim for all-day light. One of the easiest ways to support tomatoes is by growing them vertically using garden twine. Tie one end of sturdy garden twine to a strong overhead support and the other near the base of the plant. As the tomato grows, gently wrap the main stem around the twine every few days. The plant will continue climbing upward, saving space and improving airflow. Better airflow means healthier plants and fewer disease problems. Plus, harvesting becomes easier when your tomatoes are hanging right in front of you instead of hiding in a jungle of leaves. Check your plants once or twice a week. Water when the soil begins to dry. Remove any yellow or damaged leaves. If you're growing indeterminate tomatoes, you can pinch off small side shoots called suckers. This helps the plant focus more energy on producing fruit. Don't worry about being perfect. Tomatoes have been growing long before gardening videos existed. A little attention goes a long way. When tomatoes develop full color and feel slightly firm but not hard, it's harvest time. Twist gently or clip them from the vine. Fresh homegrown tomatoes often taste better because they're allowed to ripen naturally on the plant. And honestly, few gardening moments feel better than picking your own tomatoes for dinner. Let's recap. Give tomatoes plenty of sun, plant deeply for stronger roots, train them upward using garden twine. Provide simple weekly care. Harvest when fully ripe. Start with one tomato plant this season and see what happens. You might be surprised how much food one plant can provide. Bonus tip, add a layer of mulch around your plants to help hold moisture and reduce weeds. If this tomato talk helped you grow with confidence, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the family. Watch the next gardening video waiting on your screen right now. It's picked just for you. See you soon, and happy growing.